Hey hippies, hope y'all are doing well today. Your girl Courtney Shavante is back with another video, but this time I am showing you guys how I pack and prep my orders and everything so that way I can get them sent out to you guys. So the first step I do is make sure I wipe everything down with alcohol because I like to make sure that everything is completely clean and sanitized and whatnot before I send it out. And I'll wipe the front and the back very well, so that way I can make sure there's no residue on there at all. Especially with all this craziness going on and everything, I want to make sure everything's clean and safe. From here, I attach these rubber bumpers on the bottom of my pieces. I am very serious about making sure that these pieces do not scratch any furniture or anything like that. So I like to make sure that everything's protected. So these rubber bumpers do just that. And it also helps prevent my items from sliding off the table so easily. They kind of help grip the table a bit better. So just press those firmly into place onto each side that you feel is necessary. And then once you have it good to go and it's not moving, you're going to just kind of adjust the light and everything. Well, I'm sorry, the remote for the light, because this is an LED ashtray. So I'm just kind of tucking it in here. And I'm just going to prepare to wrap it right quick. Now, to wrap my pieces, I do use white tissue paper because it just kind of creates this nice, clean, elegant feel. I place the piece right in the middle and then I just wrap it up neatly and everything. And I do my best to make sure that it's not all bumpy or anything crazy like that. I flip it over and then I'm just going to wrap another piece around it because this ashtray, the Can ashtrays, they're kind of large, so I don't want it tearing through the tissue paper so easily. So I'm just going to go over it one more time with my tissue paper and then make sure that is neatly placed and wrapped. Once I got it in place, I'm just going to take one of these little holographic stickers and I'm just going to seal it closed so that way the tissue paper doesn't pop open. I really love how these holographic stickers look on my pieces. They say thank you because I really can't thank you guys enough for all the support. I truly appreciate it, and I look forward to like just continuing to grow and offer more products for you guys. Now from here, I just go ahead and place the product inside this purple bubble mailer. I will link those below for you if you are interested in these particular bubble mailers. I love them. They're lightweight. They don't really add any weight to my product, so I'm saving a lot of money while I'm shipping, and they also keep my pieces protected so that way they don't come with any scrapes or breaks. Even though these pieces are shatterproof, I still want them to be nice and shiny when they get to you. So now it's time for the gift bag. So I use these cute little mesh gift bags and I have these thank you cards. Each one is handmade by me. So if you guys are interested, I can definitely show you how I do so. But yes, this is how it looks. It just has this holographic front with my logo on it, and the inside it has a special little note for you guys. And I also place a business card inside of there. With the business card, I also place one of my little scratch offs. Now these scratch offs, they're great because they're able to like kind of scratch off a discount code off the back and see if they've won a prize towards their next order and everything. So I think it's a really fun way to, you know, do something nice for y'all. I also include a free keychain with every order. I decide the letter of the keychain depending upon who placed the order. So if there is ever a keychain letter that you need and it doesn't match the name on the order, I would suggest you leaving that in the notes. From there, I just add a couple pieces of candy because I know you guys have a sweet tooth, and then I just pop that on into the bag and make sure I get, like, you know, all the extra air out. I also add in a little bit of purple crumpled paper just to add to the aesthetic of everything and make sure it's nice and beautiful. From here, you just pull up this little strip. It will release the little adhesive part, and then you can just pull that down so that way you can make sure everything is nice and snug inside. From here, I'm just going to be adding on another sticker that says thank you on where you open it at. So, because like I said, I can't thank you guys enough. And then I'm also adding on one of these fragile stickers because I definitely want USPS to know that there is something magical inside this package, and they need to be very, very careful. So I make sure all that's stuck on there, and then I'm just going to weigh it so that way I know the weight. And then from here, I'm able to run and go print a label. I'm not going to show you guys the label printing process just because her information's on there, but I print the label. I'm going to get that attached to move forward and get it shipped. Ta-da! Alright hippies, this is our finished product. She's absolutely beautiful and I know she's going to love it. This ashtray got swept up really quickly, but if you want to grab yours or get a custom, just go to CourtneyShavante.com. Until next time hippies, XO.